get robbed anymore. So you come down here, because we're not moving. We're not moving. Come down and join the people. Come down and join us. Come down and join us. Come down. Join us. Join the people that you're sworn to protect. And let's take down the establishment. Let's take down the establishment once and for all. Look,
locked in the homes, prisons, trying to lock up innocent people while they vaccinate our children.
Currently, whoever's sending you down here, Micheál Martin, Leo Varadkar, don't even think about it. Don't trust the Irish people. You have gone too far, and you went too far long ago. We will try it out with you. You go back to your masters, Varadkar, Tommy Holland, Roman Flynn, the locals, you and them. They're on notice. They don't get to lock us up. They don't get to put us in a prison state. We will try it out with them. And they should check that the airports are open, because they need to get out of this nation before the wrath of the Irish people erupts. We've had enough. They belong in jail. Varadkar, Micheál Martin, Dr. Hohan, Dr. Gwynn, the lot of them, Luke O'Neill, quislings, liars, fakes, traitors, treason, and I haven't even got started yet on all the paedophiles in the jail, and all the hate squads paid by George Soros to torment and target good Irish men, women and children. But we know who they all are, we know where they live, they're terrified and they should be.
Well said.